It is super early out here, as you can see, because this picture, it probably isn't the best because it's still dark. Training for the BT Epic. I'm gonna do 25 miles. I'm at Sac River. I've got... Ow, ow! I can never do this mirror thing. I've got that guy, Chad, with me. He's going to pace me, keep me under control, keep me in check. So let's get this thing started and see if we can complete 25 miles.
Let's go!
All right, we are finally off. It feels like winter out here, but it's, what, 49 degrees? We will definitely warm up within the first lap. So I think each lap is probably 4 miles, plus or minus. So let's get this lap started. Woo! All right, if you guys haven't been to Sac River, it's kind of known for its twists and turns and these, like, I don't know, what is this, Chad? Limestone or shale?
Shale.
Like shale, little shale ledges. We are a little over 1.25 miles in to the 25-mile ride. Here's the boardwalk. This is fairly new to Sac River. Definitely a nice feature that they added. I'd love to see more stuff like this come this direction. Whee! This is on the outer loop, closer to the highway. Oh, possum friend. We've seen a lot of deers today already. Now we're seeing possums. Maybe we'll see a Bigfoot, Chad.
Hey, maybe.
You never know. Was that your best squatch call?
My best squatch call.
Lap 1 of mini. We are 3.5 miles in, and we're gonna run this one in reverse this next time. And now we're going down some of the shale drops. This is a fun area. Technical challenge going up, and yeah, this tight turn up here is kind of tricky too. But we're almost 6 miles in, and I think we're both feeling pretty good, staying hydrated, all that stuff. So I think the 25 miles is doable. What do you think, Chad?
So far, so good.
Yeah. So Chad has dropped a significant amount of weight this year, working out and dieting. How much have you lost, Chad?
Like 22.
22 pounds. So we were riding the other day and something came up, and one of us said something about a suspension, and we were like, yeah, maybe we should take air out of it since you were rated for 22 pounds higher. And we finally did it, and it's riding on a cloud now. Hit the jump. Oh man. You know, while we're at it, why don't you go ahead and hit that like button and you know, help out the channel. The other week I had the teeter totter video and I asked for 50 likes. You know what, Chad?
What's that?
I got 50 likes.
Oh yeah, bro.
Yeah. Thanks everybody for getting out there, liking it. Woohoo! Such a fun little section. I'm assuming that this was part of the enduro ride when they did the enduro out here. Yeah, buddy. That's fun. Oh, there's the river. This section right here, going to the left, is so pretty whenever there's water flowing through it. Wow, completely wrong gear for that. I do wish I would have done the enduro out here, but maybe next time. I'm excited about that 6-pack enduro. I'm okay, Chad, I'm okay.
Okay, 1-0 for me.
Hit the drop, bro. I'm going for it. Yeah. All right, that's not that big of a deal. Oh, dude. Next time. They put that bridge there because it gets really soupy in that section. So that was the third lap. We were popping out, getting ready to get back to the parking lot. I vote for just keep going.
Okay.
My watch says I'm a little over 10.5 in. We're not really sure exactly the full distance because my watch has been about a half mile off of Chad's and we have no idea whose is right. So we're just gonna go off of mine for our distance. So we could potentially be going significantly further than 25 miles, but we'll just have to see. But the weather is perfect. People have started showing up in the parking lot, and I think we're both feeling really good at this point. We stopped, had a little break, little munchies, and got back on it. Only we're down for about 5 minutes, but yeah, it's beautiful outside. All right, we're back at the little shale downhill, which is a fan favorite. You almost went over the edge there.
Took that line a little tight.
Yeah. All that loose rock, you just don't really know what, like how sharp you can turn.
Yeah.
Chad taking a little different line. I'm gonna follow him. Woo! Oh, buddy. It's literally a no front brake area. See if I can make this turn. I didn't make it last time. I was going too slow. Oh yeah, it helps if you pedal. All right, we are at the 15 and a half mile mark-ish, 17, depending on whose watch you go off of. But we're taking a little fuel break. I've got some salamis and salt. Yeah, and some cheese, and I guess those are cranberries and almonds, and then my favorite, Coke. Yeah, I love Coke. So now for a little bit of fun. Click, click, click. That's what we're doing.
Click, click, boom.
Woo! Yeah. So much fun. I love that section. Sun is coming out. It's starting to mess with us a little bit. Makes it hard to see where the roots and rocks actually start and stop. 21.18 miles in. All right, we are going to take the yellow route instead of going on the blue route like we have with all the other laps. I told Chad this is one of my favorite routes here at Sac River.
That's 25 for me.
Nice. There's a massive tree that fell there. Woo! Yeah, buddy. And we'll take a right up here whenever it tees.
Okay.
Whee!
Oh, yeah, that one was good.
That was a good one. There we go. 25 miles.
Boom.
Woo! Cheers, dude.
Cheers.
Good ride.
Good ride.
What was your favorite part of the entire ride?
That little downhill part, kind of after you finally finish climbing the switchbacks.
Yeah.
The fourth time, our third time that direction, was my favorite.
So the downhill after the switchbacks was his favorite part. My favorite part was just being able to get in that many laps here at Sac River. I don't think I've ever done anywhere close to that many laps at Sac River.
Well, officially your longest mountain bike ride today, right?
Yeah, I think that's officially my longest mountain bike ride. So, but as always, get out there, run, bike, build, and just have fun. What do I say, Chad?
We'll see you in the next one.
That's right.